So ang bagong trend ngayon sa mga nasisintensyahan, ang jurisdiction ay nasa Municipal Trial Court, community service ang penalty. This is provided by Republic Act number 11362. So lahat ng nasintensyahan for minor offenses, punishable by arresto menor and arresto mayor, in lieu of imprisonment shall render community service. Under Article 27 of the Revised Penal Code, ang arresto mayor is imprisonment of 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. Ayan, yung mayor. Itong mayor, yung mga kaso, alarm and scandal, malicious mischief, offending religious feelings, unjust vexation, using false certificates, slight physical injuries. Yan, ay arresto mayor. Penalty, 1 month to 6 months. Ang arresto menor, yan yung mga minor violations. For example, city ordinance, yung urinating in public, yan. Yung mama, yung pagdura ng mama, yan, mga city ordinance. Pero ngayon, to decongest tong jail, hindi na preso ang haharapin kung hindi community service. Yung judge magsasabi kung saan ka mag-community service. Pwede sa barangay, pwede sa hospital, pwede sa health center. And of course, one time lang yan. Pag marami kang kaso, once mo lang ma-avail yung community service, yung next time, kulungan na. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-avail palagi ng community service. It is merely a privilege. And the community service supervised by the court through the probation office.